Bigger brains. Complex brains for a complex world. As early humans faced new environmental challenges and evolved bigger bodies, they evolved larger and more complex brains. Large, complex brains can process and store a lot of information. That was a big advantage to early humans in their social interactions and encounters with unfamiliar habitats. Over the course of human evolution, brain size tripled. The modern human brain is the largest and the most complex of any living primate. From 6 to 2 million years ago, brain size increases slowly. From 2 million to 800,000 years ago, brain and body size increase. From 800,000 to 200,000 years ago, brain size increases rapidly. Why the sudden increase in brain size? The top graph shows how Earth's climate has fluctuated over the past 3 million years. Notice how much the fluctuations increased between 800,000 and 200,000 years ago. To construct this graph, scientists studied fossils of tiny organisms found in ocean sediment cores. The bottom graph shows how brain size increased over the past 3 million years, especially between 800,000 and 200,000 years ago. A large brain capable of processing new information was a big advantage during times of dramatic climate change. To construct this graph, scientists measured the brain cavities of more than 160 early human skulls, evidence of ancient brains. Endocasts are replicas of the insides of early and modern human brain cases. They represent the size and shape of the brains that once occupied the brain cases. Comparing human brain with a chimpanzee's. Humans are primates, and chimpanzees are our closest living relatives. The brains of the earliest humans were similar in size to those of chimpanzees, but over time, human and chimpanzee brains evolved in several different and important ways. Humans have far more white matter in the temporal cortex, reflecting more connections between nerve cells and a greater ability to process information. Speed of growth. Chimpanzee brains grow rapidly before birth, growth levels off very soon after birth. Human brains grow rapidly before birth through the first year and into childhood. Average weight of adult chimpanzee brain 384 gram. Average weight of modern human brain 1,352 gram. Benefits and costs of a big brain. Benefits: the modern human brain can store many decades worth of information, collect and process information, then deliver output in split seconds, solve problems and create abstract ideas and images. It can also do much more. Costs: a big brain gobbles up energy. Your brain is 2% of your body's weight but uses 20% of your oxygen supply and gets 20% of your blood flow. Large brains mean large heads, making childbirth more difficult and painful for human mothers than for other primates. If you liked the video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel.